Intermittent fasting, IF, is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It doesn't focus on specific foods but rather when you should eat them. Here are some tips to help you successfully implement and maintain intermittent fasting. Choose the right fasting method. There are several IF methods, such as the 16/8 method, the 5-2 method, and the eat-stop-eat method. Choose a method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Intermittent fasting, IF, is a popular eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, each with its own unique structure. Some of the most common methods include 16/8 method, lean gains protocol. This method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and eating within an 8-hour window. For example, you could skip breakfast and eat your meals between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. This is one of the most popular and easiest methods to follow. 14/10 method. Similar to the 16/8 method, this approach involves fasting for 14 hours and eating within a 10-hour window. This method may be more suitable for those who find the 16-hour fasting window too challenging. 5-2 method, the fast diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 non-consecutive days. For example, you could eat normally from Monday to Friday and consume reduced calories on Saturday and Sunday. Eat-stop-eat. This method involves fasting for a full 24-hour period once or twice a week. During the fasting day, you consume no calories, while on the other days, you eat normally. The 24-hour fast can be challenging for some people, so it's essential to listen to your body and ensure you're staying hydrated. Alternate day fasting. This method alternates between days of regular eating and days of fasting, or consuming very few calories, around 500 calories. For example, you might fast on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and eat normally on the other days. The warrior diet. This method involves fasting for 20 hours each day and eating a large meal in the evening within a 4-hour window. During the fasting period, you may consume small amounts of fruits and vegetables, but the majority of your calorie intake should occur during the 4-hour eating window. Spontaneous meal skipping. This approach is less structured and involves occasionally skipping meals when convenient, such as when you're not hungry or don't have time to prepare a meal. This method can be an easy way to incorporate fasting into your lifestyle without adhering to a strict schedule. Each method has its own benefits and challenges, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. Before starting any intermittent fasting method, consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns. Start gradually. If you're new to intermittent fasting, ease into it by gradually increasing the duration of your fasting periods. This will allow your body to adjust to the new eating pattern. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential during fasting periods to prevent dehydration. You can also drink non-caloric beverages like black coffee or green tea, but avoid sugary drinks and alcohol. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. During your eating periods, prioritize whole nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and refined sugars, which can cause blood sugar spikes and increase hunger. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to intermittent fasting. If you feel unwell, overly fatigued, or experience extreme hunger, consider adjusting your fasting duration or method. Don't overeat during eating periods. It's crucial to avoid overcompensating for the fasting periods by overeating during the eating window. Practice portion control and mindful eating to prevent overconsumption. Plan your meals. Preparing meals in advance can help ensure that you're consuming balanced, nutrient-dense meals during your eating periods. Maintain a consistent schedule. Establish a consistent fasting and eating schedule to help your body adjust and make it easier to stick to the routine. Be patient. It may take some time for your body to adapt to intermittent fasting. Give yourself time to adjust and don't expect immediate results. Combine with exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine to enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting, such as improved weight management and overall health. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. By following these tips, you can make intermittent fasting a sustainable and effective part of your lifestyle. Remember to be patient and give yourself time to adjust, and always listen to your body's needs.